What is an altcoin? An altcoin is a cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. What is a DApp? A DApp is a decentralized application built on a blockchain. This means people's money is a lot safer in these decentralized exchanges rather than a centralized exchange because they can run peer-to-peer. So what is a blockchain? A blockchain in its simplest form is just a record book, but just digital. So we know what blockchain is. So what is a block? A block is a group of data within a blockchain. Blocks are made up of transaction records that people are buying and selling. Also, each block can only hold a little piece of information. Once it is finished, a new block is formed so it can carry on its blockchain. So what is a coin? A coin is a representative store of digital value. This value lives on a blockchain or a cryptocurrency network. So what is decentralization? Decentralization is the principle of distributing power away from the central point. Blockchains are usually decentralized as they require a majority vote. This is why decentralized systems are really good when it comes to the public and what the public want and need. So what is DeFi? DeFi is Decentralized Finance. These are financial activities that are conducted without the need of government or banks. So what is a fork? A fork or hard fork is kind of just like an update when you're updating your computer. Instead, you're updating a blockchain. Sorry for all the background noise, guys. If you really enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you found it informative, please leave a comment detailing what you liked about the video, so I can improve on videos in the further future. Thank you very much for listening.